Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I'm here to give you guys a full and final review on this hair that I got from Amazon. I ordered it from a company called PANSE Hair Company, and I ordered 4 bundles of 22-inch hair and a matching 20-inch lace closure. I requested that before they send the bundles that they try to give me like the darkest bundles that they have, because I was going for this jet black sleek look, and I didn't want to necessarily have to dye my bundles jet black. So I went ahead and just seen if they could kind of make a way so that I could have dark bundles. I did not dye these bundles. I just requested that the company send me the darkest bundles that they had in stock, and this is what they sent me. These bundles are literally jet black. Now, initially when I got the hair, I didn't wash the bundles. I did not co-wash. I didn't do anything to the bundles. I literally took the bundles out of the packaging and made my wig. I bleached the knots on my closure and I just made my wig. Now, I do make custom wigs for clients near and far. I ship and all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in getting a custom wig made by me, I'll leave my website down below so that you guys can check it out. With Amazon, you have the 2-day Prime shipping. So I placed my order, got the hair, made my wig. I needed it for a wedding, and I'm gonna try to insert clips of me rocking the hair at the wedding. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair was tangling, it was frizzy, and it was nappy. It was really nappy. Like, I was like, this cannot be straight hair. One of my biggest pet peeves when it comes down to hair extensions is hair extensions that shed, tangle, mat, frizz, anything like that. But when it comes down to my straight hair, that is like that grinds my gears. Okay, straight hair that tangles, sheds, is frizzy, because I feel like it's straight hair, it shouldn't go through any of that. It should just be sleek, straight hair that you could just run your fingers through. So when I noticed that my unit was doing that, I went ahead and I gave it like a quick wash. I used my silicone mix shampoo and conditioner, and I sat the wig in water. Prior to me using any shampoo or conditioner, I just sat the entire unit in water, and I just waited. I wanted to see if any hair dye was gonna come from the wig, or if anything of that sort was gonna show in the water, which is something that I usually do initially, like prior to me doing my hair and making my wig. But I didn't have time. I just needed my hair done for this wedding, so I just went ahead and I just did it. I did notice that the water began to turn a brownish color, and that's when I knew for a fact I had to go ahead and wash and condition my bundles. You guys, when I tell y'all that this hair has been A1 ever since I've done that, it's been A1. I don't know if it's just because of my silicone mix shampoo and conditioner. Like, I don't know if it's just that great of a product that it got my hair like this. But yeah, like after doing that, the hair has been wonderful. So I definitely and highly recommend washing your bundles prior to installing, for sanitary reasons as well, because the hair is being shipped from overseas, so you just never know. So yeah, this is the hair. It's super full because I used 4 bundles, but I just love how sleek and shiny it is. I did use my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, probably one of my favorite products. And if you guys are not familiar with my channel, y'all know that I do not use a lot of product on hair. So if I recommend a product, just know that it's been working wonders for your girl. If you guys are interested in some jet black bundles without the hassle of dyeing hair, I highly recommend this company, only because of my experience so far with the hair. It's been pretty good. Aside from the fact when initially I got it, I was dealing with tangles and shedding and frizziness and all that. But after washing and conditioning, flat ironing it, and wearing it for a while thereafter, the hair has been super duper good so far. So good. It's not stiff. Real pretty. Real nice. I hope that you guys found this video very helpful. I'll leave all the details down below regarding it. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.